day, viewers, friends. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fuse Tech Up, where we talk about POS business, cryptocurrencies, and other tech-related business. Today, I'll be talking about 5 common losses in POS business. That is 5 ways by which you can lose money in POS business. As lucrative as the business is, if you don't try to avoid these 5 common losses, you can lose your profit in a single transaction. If you are just joining us for the first time, if this is your first time of watching any of my videos, I want you to do me a favor, click on the subscription button below and also hit the notification bell so that subsequently you will get to see more of our videos anytime we drop them on this channel. So I'll be dropping 5 tips or 5 common ways by which people lose money in their POS business. Number 1 is typing wrong figures into the POS. Typing wrong figures into the POS. That is, if you want to do a transaction and you are not careful enough and you type wrong figures into the POS, you are on your way to losing money. Typing wrong figures into the POS. For example, let's say you want to do a transaction of 100,000. If you are not careful of the number of zeros, this could land you in a serious trouble. For example, you want to type 100,000 and you mistakenly type 10 then 000. That is 10,000. So many agents do make this mistake. If you type 10,000 instead of 100,000 and you give 100,000 to your customer, that means you are on your way to losing 90,000. And to get this money back is not something easy. It's not always easy. Once you type wrong figure into the POS and you have given cash to your customer, even if you go to bank to complain, bank will not listen to your complaint because nobody was there to actually confirm that you gave 100,000 to the customer, and the customer could deny that you gave him or her only 10,000 because that is the only evidence on the POS paper. So typing wrong figures into the POS is one of the biggest or the surest way by which a POS agent can lose money. So always ensure that you check the number of zeros when you are typing into the POS, and also educate your sales attendants on the danger of zeros. So that is number 1. Number 2, overpaying your customer. Overpaying your customer. Overpaying your customer. Overpaying your customer. How can this become a loss? Let's say your customer withdraw 10,000 and you did not count the number of notes properly and you counted 11 or 12,000. That means you have lost 1,000 naira to the customer. So ensure that you double count the money before giving to the customer. Double count the money before giving to the customer. Yes, double count the money. It does not take you anything to count the money twice. At times I count it thrice if I'm not so sure. Count it twice. Ensure that you are giving your customer the right amount they have come to withdraw. That is number 2. Number 3 ways by which you can lose money in POS: resending a failed transaction. Resending a failed transaction, failed transfer. Yes, let's say you transfer money to a customer's account and the description of the POS says transaction failed. Don't be in a hurry to resend that transaction. Don't be in a hurry to resend the transaction because you need to check your account first. You need to check your account to be sure that that money has not been deducted from your account. You log into your app and you check. If you check and you discover that that money has been removed, you need to wait for some time. It is either they refund the money back to your wallet or the money eventually settles into your customer's account. But some agents, once they see that the transaction failed and they will not check their account, they will just redo the transaction and they will debit them twice. Even if you are not debited immediately, always wait for some time before sending a failed transfer. That is number 3, the third way of you losing money in POS business. Another one is transfer to a wrong account. Transfer to a wrong account. If your customer comes to your location to transfer money, ensure that you cross-check the name on the account. Yes, cross-check that the name on the account tallies with the one the customer is giving to you. If you pay into a wrong account, to get the money out is usually problematic. In fact, you might not eventually get the money. It has happened to me severally, so I'm telling you this from experience. Even if your customer come with just account number and bank, tell them to call the account owner to confirm the name on the account. Make sure that the name that your POS is bringing out tallies with the name given by your customer. Don't assume that because a name came up on the POS, that is the name. Tell the customer to confirm that that is the right name. If you transfer money, you can imagine a customer wants to send 50,000 and you send that 50,000 to the wrong account. You might not be able to get the money back. That would be a loss for your business. So the 5th one is airtime recharge into a wrong account. Airtime recharge into a wrong account. Airtime recharge into a wrong phone number. Yes, as you all know that on your POS you can do airtime vending. That is virtual top up. You can top up for your customer. So anytime your customer wants to credit their line, ensure that you confirm the number given to you. If you mistakenly send airtime to another number, that is a loss, and your customer will not want to listen to any excuse. So make sure you confirm the number given to you. If possible, confirm it twice before sending. Ensure that the account you are transferring money to is the right account. Yes, don't be in a hurry to resend a failed transaction or to pay your customer for a failed withdrawal. If a withdrawal fail on your POS, yes, the only thing you can do, and if your customer is debited, eventually log into your portal and check if that transaction has been credited into your account. If it has been credited, then based on what the procedure your bank has given to you, you can give the customer cash and make them sign. Or if the money is not in your wallet, advise your customer to wait for 24 hours for auto reversal. And if that money is not eventually reversed into your customer's account, advise your customer to contact their bank. If you give cash out for a failed withdrawal, at the end of the day you might not be credited, or you might not get the money back because the money has not left the customer's account to your own account. So make sure that you don't give money out for a failed withdrawal. Advise your customer to wait for 24 hours. If you give your customer money for a failed withdrawal and eventually we reverse the money back to your customer's account, customer may not return the money back to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. 5 common losses in POS. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Please encourage us on this channel. Subscribe to this channel, like our video, drop your comments, and share with your friend. And in case you are new to POS business and you want to get POS, we are here for you. We can help you get POS from a reliable company with lowest charge in the market. So if you are interested in getting POS from us, we are here to onboard you. We'll give you all the necessary procedure. So just drop a comment below, or you send me a message on my WhatsApp line. You will see the WhatsApp number on the description section below. Thank you so much. God bless you.